how to buy Renew Labs token. So this token came under the symbol of Renew. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So one of these updates, as you can see, this post from the REFERRAL account, as you can see, they said that Renew will be listed on WEEX spot trading. Details are follow. So deposits, it will be 24 in February at 5 UTC, and the trading will be available on 25 February on 5 UTC. So until that date, go and create an account on WEEX. If you don't have an account on WEEX, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link on WEEX and create an account on it and fund it with some USDT and wait until that date to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Renew token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.